Morning, students. There is about science of class 9th standard. It is the very first chapter of class 9th, subject science. Chapter name is matter in a surrounding. Now we are talking about the matter. What is matter? Matter is anything which has mass and occupies space. Anything in our universe which has mass and able to occupy space known as the matter, such as book, pen, pencil, moon, earth, water, and many more. Matter is present in particle nature. So now we are talking about the characteristics of matter. Matter made up of tiny particles. It means their particles are very small. Second point is second characteristics of matter. There are vacant space between the particles. So we can say that a vacant space exists in particles. Particles are continuously in motion. It is the third characteristic of matter. Particles are continuously in motion. Okay, uh, they have force of attraction. Due to the great force of attraction, they close each other and form solid. Okay, now uh, we are talking about two states of matter. There are three main states of matter. We have studied in earlier classes such as solid, liquid and gas. These are the some basic states of matter in earlier classes. Okay, here there are five states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, now what is the basic difference between the solid, liquid and gas? Okay students, we are talking about the basic difference of solid, liquid and gas. We have studied about solid, liquid, gas in earlier classes. Now the first, solid has fixed shape and definite volume. Okay, solid has fixed shape and definite volume, whereas liquid has no fixed shape but it has fixed volume. Okay, not fixed shape but fixed volume. In case of gas, neither fixed shape or nor fixed volume. Okay, and second point is interparticle distance. Okay, in case of solid, interparticle distance are smallest. Okay, there is less, there is no, we can say there is no space between the particles, whereas in case of liquid, larger than solid. It means interparticle distance is larger than solid in case of liquid, whereas in gas there is largest. It means interparticle distance is largest in other two ones. Okay, now we are talking about to compressibility. Solid are incompressible. Okay, solid are incompressible. In case of liquid, almost they are also incompressible, but in case of gas is highly compressible. Okay student, gas is highly compressible. Now we are talking about the density. Solid has high density and do not diffuse. Okay, solid has high density and do not diffuse. In case of liquid, density is lower than solid and can diffuse. Okay, there is no diffuse, but in case of solid, liquid, it can diffuse. Okay, in case of gas, density is least and there also will be diffusion. Okay, now moving to our next page. Okay, uh, now talking about the force of attraction between the particles. Here is great force of attraction in case of solid, strongest force of attraction, whereas in case of liquid there is weaker force of attraction in compare that of solid. In case of gas, weakest force of attraction. It means the particles are very far away from each other, they are no closer to each other. Now particles are closely packed due to the force of attraction. Okay, due to the great force of attraction, particles are closely packed. Okay, in case of solid, whereas in case of liquid, particles are, because of force of attraction is weaker than the solid, so particles are the loosely packed. But in case of gas, there is weakest form of force of attraction, so the particle of gas is free to move about. Okay, now to special, now we are talking about two special characteristics of states such as the plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now we are talking about plasma. Plasma is an ionized gas. Okay, plasma is an ionized gas. Plasma is very good conductor of electricity and is affected by the magnetic field. It means it can affected by a magnet. Okay, plasma like gas have an, just like gas, plasma have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. It means plasma also do not have fixed shape and fixed volume. Example, a plasma ionized gas. Let's move on Bose-Einstein condensate. A Bose-Einstein condensate is a state of matter that can arise at very low temperature. Listen students, Bose-Einstein condensate can arise at very low temperature. It Bose-Einstein condensate is the special states of matter which can arise at very low temperature. Okay, the scientists who work with Bose-Einstein received Nobel Prize in 1995. The scientist who discovered about or tell about the Bose-Einstein condensate, which is the special states of matter, received Nobel Prize in 1995. Bose-Einstein condensate is all about now molecules that are really close to each other. In case of Bose-Einstein condensate, molecules are really close to each other. Okay, these are the all five states of matter. Okay, now we are talking about to interchange in states of matter. We have seen that a liquid can change into water vapor. Okay, liquid can change into solid as a form of ice. So matter is also able to change their states. Okay, matter can change its states such like we have seen three basic form of matter: solid as form of ice, liquid as form of water, familiar to water. Okay, gas as a for water vapor. Okay, now oh, this is the interchangeable triangle of all three matter. Okay, solid, by melting we can change solid into liquid. Okay, to rise in temperature, solid change into liquid, it is called melting. Okay, liquid can change into gas, liquid can change into gas due to the effect of temperature, it is called evaporation. Okay, when liquid change into a gas, it is called evaporation. Okay, uh, solid change into gas and gas can change into solid. These, in all these cases, okay, all two cases, solid into gas, gas into solid, known as sublimation. Okay, when solid goes in vapor form without going to liquid state. Okay, when solid change into gas. Okay, when solid change into gas without going liquid, we have seen that water, we have seen to in case of ice, when ice melted it form water. Okay, after that we have evaporate, it form of water vapor. It means solid, liquid, gas. Okay, but in case of sublimation, sublimate substance, okay, they are directly converted into solid, solid into gas. So they are these substance which this type goes to directly solid into gas or gas into solid, these substance known as the sublimate. Okay, these process known as the sublimation. Solid change to water vapor without going to liquid state. Example of sublimate: camphor, we have seen our around, and ammonium chloride. Okay, NH4Cl. Now we are talking about to temperature. What is the role of temperature in changing of the states of matter? The temperature effect on heat Heating a solid varies depending on the nature of the solid. The condition required in bringing the change. Okay. Now, on increasing temperature of solid. Okay, student. On increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of particle increases. When we increase to temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of particles also increases, which overcome force of attraction due to change in kinetic energy of particles. Force of attraction overcome between the particles, thereby solid melt. Okay, change in temperature, solid melt into a liquid. Okay, due to the change in kinetic energy. The temperature at which solid melts. Okay, the temperature at which solid melt to become a liquid at atmospheric pressure, this is known as, yeah, we can say that it is called melting point. At a point when solid become a liquid at atmospheric pressure, this point known as the melting point of. Okay, the melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin. Okay, here we are uh, talking about to Kelvin scale of temperature because Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Now, what is the fusion? When solid goes liquid. Okay, solid goes into liquid, it is also known as the fusion. There are several difference between the fusion and melting. Okay, we are talking about it topic. Effect of pressure. What is the effect of pressure? When pressure increase or decrease, effect of pressure, if atmospheric pressure increases or atmospheric pressure decreases, the states of matter also will change. Okay, what is the latent heat? uh, is a specific term which are commonly used in our first chapter. Latent heat, latent means hidden. Okay, latent means hidden. Latent heat is hidden heat form. Okay, it helps in breaking of molecule, or we can say the breaking of molecule which force of attraction during change of state. Any particle which going to through their change of states, latent heat helps in breaking of molecule or breaking of force of attraction. What is evaporation? When liquid directly converted into gas. Okay, below its boiling point. When any liquid convert into gas, or we can say water vapor, below its boiling point, this process known as the evaporation. There are several factors which are affecting evaporation, such as surface area. If surface area increases, then rate of evaporation also increases. Okay, if surface area increases, rate of evaporation also increases. Second is temperature, effect of temperature on evaporation. If temperature increases, then students, rate of evaporation also increases. Third is humidity. Okay, relative humidity. When humidity means the water vapor present in air. Okay, water vapor present in air known as the humidity. When humidity, it means water vapor present in air. Okay, so humidity increases, rate of evaporation decreases. And fourth and last is wind speed. Dear students, if wind speed increases, rate of evaporation also increases. We have known that evaporation causes cooling. Why evaporation causes cooling? The particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy. Okay, the particles of liquid absorb energy from the surrounding to regain the energy lost during evaporation. Okay, so evaporation cause cooling. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Okay, evaporation is surface phenomenon, while boiling is surface. Boiling is not surface phenomenon. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Okay, there is several difference between the boiling and evaporation. Evaporation is surface phenomenon, whereas boiling is bulk phenomenon. Now we are talking about Kelvin and Celsius scale of temperature. Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.16 Kelvin. Okay, Kelvin has always positive sign. Okay, so it give to right value of the matter. Okay, 0 degree Celsius, we are change into Kelvin into Celsius or Celsius into Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.16 Kelvin. Now these are the some formulas which helps in conversion of temperature scale. 0 Celsius is equal to, if we want to find degree Celsius, Kelvin minus 273. Okay, when we are knowing about going to know about to Kelvin scale, degree Celsius plus 273. These are the some basic formula of